It's Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I coach people. I want to help managers and leaders be more effective, better at hiring, or your job search, if that's where you are right now. The early morning meeting is terrible. Everyone hates them. You hate them, they hate them. Let's get real. What can you do differently? The answer is bring in some play, bring in a little fun to launch everything. I'll give you an example. I was at a group meeting sponsored by a nonprofit in my town. Coach was there working with the people in attendance. Handed out a spreadsheet with some obscure suggestions for the group. And I'll just read off a couple. And the idea was we've got this grid, and it basically says, introduce yourself. And I'll just give you an idea of some of the silly things here. Believes in Santa, would rather email than speak on the phone, drinks tea instead of coffee, focuses on the big picture versus details, is left-handed. And the grid has 25 different items there. And if you've got a team of people that you're meeting with, well, you can create a grid, hand it to everyone, have them get to know one another. It's an icebreaker. And the idea is, you walk into meetings and everyone is tired and dull and bored and wondering when the heck this is going to be all over and wanting more coffee because they haven't had enough yet. That was pretty typical of the meetings I used to have to attend early in the morning. Create a game of some sort. Create a little play. 15 minutes is what we're talking about, and get them to get on board, have little prizes afterwards, and then launch into the meeting. What we found at this particular group today was that the energy in the room was palpably higher than it was under other circumstances. By being goofy, by being silly, by being playful, we got more done, and we enjoyed it that much more. Give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? They're going to go, and they're going to grumble, right? You're already dealing with them grumbling because they have to be there early, right? I'm Jeff Altman. Hope you found this helpful. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There's a lot more there about a lot of different topics. Go there, go to the blog, go exploring, have a good time. Also want to mention that if you're interested in one-on-one coaching from me, you can sign up for a free discovery call on the homepage. There's a button that says schedule, or you could dive right into coaching. Be happy to do that with you. Lastly, if you're watching on YouTube, click that little icon in the lower right-hand corner. Just subscribe to my channel, get notifications whenever I release something new. Also, if you're looking for job search material or know someone who wants job search advice, and wants to watch stuff, YouTube, of course, but I also have an app for Amazon Fire TV and the ancillary Android products, and you can get that Job Search TV. Download the app, watch my stuff. There's a lot there. Hope you have a great day, and take care.